Hello, my name is Mustafa Melih. This is Lab101. This is the statistics fourth video, I think. This is the fourth video. I'm going to talk about numerical and categorical variables and like the types of variables in between, not in between, in between, like the subcategories of these variables. So, numerical variables. There are discrete variables and continuous variables. What are discrete variables? Let's see. Discrete variables are like the whole numbers that you cannot have a decimal place or a fractional number in this place. So anything that you can count is a discrete. So number of seats, number of people, anything that you can count is a discrete value. Or assume that you have an index like 1 to 10. That would be discrete variable. And let's see continuous variables. Continuous variables are fractional, like decimal places. They have a lot of those. Uh, in the experiments that you're going to do, most of the variables will be in this format, numerical continuous variables as your dependent variables. I forgot to talk about like the difference between the previous video and this video. So this video is about like more statistics. The previous video was about like the variables that you need when you do the experiment. These are the variables that you need, like the categories that you need to do, and in the statistical analysis. So your dependent variable uh, would be like a numerical variable, or independent variable would be like a categorical variable. That would change test to test. I will explain those. So we will use both of those terms as dependent and dependent variable and independent variable, and we will use these numerical and categorical variables. So a thermometer and mass scale, a pH probe would provide you with like a continuous variable. Let's see the categorical ones. Categorical ones are nominal and ordinal. Ordinal. So nominal ones are like it's a name. You would have something's name on it. It's just words or values that you assign them with. So, that do not increase or decrease. You can do those. So different fruits, those are nominal variables. Different wires, different types of wires that you're using, copper, gold, stuff like that. Those are categorical. Nominal variables. So like when you're saying a variable, you would say nominal categorical, or you would just say categorical or numerical. That doesn't matter in the statistical context. If you want to like sound more smart, you would like write nominal or ordinal categorical value, or discrete or continuous numerical value such as that. Different salts, different types of salts in the chemistry. Those type of experiments are nominal, and generally, except in chi-square tests, we use nominals as independent variables. So what's an ordinal variable? Ordinal is something that you increase or decrease by. So in the previous example, I gave discrete numerical variable, but if you want to like, you can change in between them. So you would have happiness index as your ordinal, or you could have it as your discrete variable. That changes according to test. And you can have your concentrations 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3. You would expect these to be like continuous variables, but you can, since they are increasing order, ordinal ones are either increasing or decreasing. Since they are increasing, you can count them as ordinal variables as well. When would you do this? So in regression, like you would want to have a lot of values like this, so 0.1 to like 0.9 if you are doing a regression test. But if you don't have enough values, you can do like you can count this as ordinal and do ANOVA. I'm gonna talk about it in the next videos, so you don't need to worry a lot about it, but just you just understand the context, like, and what do I mean by categorical and numerical variables. If it's increasing or decreasing, you can make it ordinal variable as well. You can change it according to like the test that you can run. So that if you're doing like a chemistry IA, you can make the concentrations ordinal, or you can do them like continuous. It changes, but the thing is you have to do it increasing. It has to be increasing or decreasing. Thank you for watching. Continue with the next video.